What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Up, Up, and Away by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll dropkick your favorite pet animal. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and you're starting out with your ring finger on the 10th fret of your D string, your middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your index finger on the 8th fret of the B string. And you're going to be picking D, G, D, B, D, G. Then you're going to move down your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 9th fret of the G, and index finger on the 7th fret of the G, because here you're picking D, G, D, D, but you're taking off that pinky where your index finger is on the 7th fret. And then D, G with your pinky back on the 9th fret. Next up, you're going to use your index finger to press down on the 7th fret of both the D and the G, and then your ring finger is going to go on the 9th fret of the G, and you're going to pick that's D, G, D, G on the 7th fret, D, and then D on your 10th fret. And that plays twice. So altogether, it looks like there you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.